this is the problem we have in here. This motor right here, we can't get the motor anymore from Bernina. I already called them and they don't have it anymore. Such an old machine is a chain, you know, that you can't get this anymore. This is the problem that we have right here. You see this? This motor is damaged. That's what's called a stepping motor. Makes the machine work so left to right and front to back. And it's completely going, you see? I'm gonna try my best, see what I could do with it, but I can't promise not. Bernina 1080, it's a 1080, I'm sorry. So I have all the control and everything here. So I'm trying my best, okay? I'm gonna see if I could do anything with this. If not, if I can't, I'm gonna have to either send it to Bernina or something. But you know, I'm trying, okay? I'm trying for you. Trying my best. Hello once again, thank you for watching. This is the Sewing Doctor in New York, www.citysewing.com. Here's the Bernina 1080. I was able to get it. I'm so happy, so excited. This machine has the motor was completely damaged. As you could see on the video that I showed you, was completely off. I was able to get it fixed. I'm very, very excited. The machine is working beautiful. Makes a very nice stitches. Let me show you. Okay, thank you for watching again. Robin from City Sewing New York, www.citysewing.com. The Sewing Doctor. Bye-bye.